Ever lost your friends in the vastness of Minecraft? Today, we're building a player tracking system that works like magic, even across dimensions. First, you'll need a compass. Craft one using 4 iron ingots and a piece of redstone dust in the center of your crafting grid. Next, you'll need a lodestone to craft this. You'll need a netherite ingot placed on top of 4 obsidian blocks, surrounded by chiseled stone bricks, so get ready for some serious mining, especially for that netherite. Now, place your lodestone block wherever you want. This is the anchor point for your tracking system. Think of it as the home base your compass will point to. Take your compass and right-click on the lodestone. You'll see the compass needle spin and then settle, pointing directly towards the lodestone. This compass is now linked. Now, for the tracking, if you or someone else holds this linked compass and is on the same dimension as the lodestone, the needle will always point towards that lodestone's location. Let's say your friend places the lodestone in the overworld. If you get lost in a cave, just pull out your linked compass and it'll guide you back to your friend's lodestone location in the overworld. But here's where it gets truly powerful. Even if you travel to another dimension, like the nether or the end, and then pull out your linked compass, it will still point towards the lodestone's original location in the overworld. This means you can always find your way back to your starting point, or even track a friend who has wandered off, regardless of your current location or dimension. Just make sure everyone who wants to track the lodestone has a linked compass. So there you have it, your very own player tracking system. No more getting lost, just pure adventure. Happy tracking.